brutal pavement spread where natives once lay dead, and the times we see ahead were glazed with rosy hues, for we don't wish to abuse what it is we have to lose. Walmarts, fast food and strip malls replaced Main Street family stores along highways, asphalt shores in every state, but they were once British immigrant outposts. 13 Mad Colonies English settlers betrayed both Native Americans and their home country, the Crown, and were hated by the Spanish and French too. Parlez-vous. Our founding fathers decided that instead of peasants, they would use slaves to farm and new migrants for low factory wages. Most would own less than many serfs did in the Middle Ages. From the northern rocky coasts to the southern sandy shore, 13 little clusters of wrath, not utopias of Thomas More. Each one had its story, each turned anti-Tory and made the revolution. Traders gave contribution to the new republic, which eventually would replace the British Empire. Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut to New Hampshire's forests and skies so blue. New York and New Jersey side by side, Pennsylvania's fields stretching far and wide, Delaware small but proud and free, Maryland shores by the Chesapeake Sea, Virginia's hills and Carolina's pair, north and south with a rebel flair, Georgia Peachtree streets lined, 13 colonies, conspirators aligned. Colonists farmed and traded, they prayed and they dreamed. Some were pioneers of freedom, some cracked and schemed. Some leaders act the same, and when new taxes came, they whipped liberty and stoked the flame. Founding fathers were kings, but with different names. African slaves had chains, European migrant masters. Most were racist, even pastors. From Boston's port to Savannah's breeze, they wrote their fate on parchment leaves. Fucking 13 colonies bound by design. What a wicked, unlucky number. 13 stars on blue banner bright, lightning strikes in the night Franklin's kite. From colonies to states they became, united in violence in freedom's name.